Yes, ones and ones, welcome back to the channel Drone TV and Lifestyle. So we're back on the Montego Bay Bypass again. So stay tuned, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's go. That is it. That be right.
Yes, ones and ones, the back on the Montego Bay Bypass. This time with up on the Irwin side again. Good time when I forward this side. The last time I forward, we fly down this side. So we got to turn on and go the other side. Yes, man, Drone TV and Lifestyle. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, the road if you go Granville, Irwin, Tucker, sign the whole works, Janzal. That is it. So come on, here we go. Let's go. I'm telling the people, this is a major, massive, no matter what you want to call it, this is a major project. Million spending, and I tell us, hey, go on, look at this, look at asphalt, look at development in Jamaica. That is it.
I find who I give you what you need. I know what you like. I believe for me.
Boy, you can see the vision already. Look at that, man. Beautiful pavement, man. You can see the vision already. How this thoroughfare but nice. That is it, man. Yeah, man. Big up Jamaica, man. Big development, man, going on, man. Come on, let's check it out. We're going up the line. That is it. Yes, man, major development. Look at that, man. Yes, man, major progress, man. I'm not tell you, say this a game changer for Jamaica. Yes, man, let's go. Stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Drone TV. Yes, man, that will work. Look at that. Look at beauty. Engineering. That is it. Yeah, man, the last time we were here, man, the whole of this place was small, so you can see where the progress is going on. You can see where asphalt is being laid down. Yes, man, wonderful, wonderful. Now just stay tuned, watch the visuals, listen to the music, and let's go, let's go.
go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I take one by fault and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow, and if you go and shadow.
Yeah, man, I want not to. The breeze is terrible. The breeze high. Yeah, man, so make you get to go all the way more. Got the breeze high on this side, going to the seaside high. So, don't know if we have an next update coming up soon. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on, and that will work. No thing going on. Yes, man.
Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't pass, last. Now everybody go to breakfast, I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love after life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow.
Puff, my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. Shut up and bend over, and bend over. Shut up and bend over, puff, bend over. Let your back do the talking over. So shut up and bend over, puff, and bend over. Mary Jane, my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. Shut up and bend over, and bend over. Shut up and bend over, bend over. Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just. Just put the record. Just put the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go get up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame them all. You go do your one time, I break for one time, I'm to my mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no they walk up. Man, no be God up. Then they talk up. I see they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, what's up, we do? Yeah, go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take a picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do. See when we go get it wild like Sulesu. Got the one you console. Anything you wish me.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I went
I got to fight for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is right. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need time. Yeah, I'm bad in my life, man. Go on with it, go on with it, go on with it. Ghost. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. We in the rise on post. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey that's the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast for the friends that they come with the Lord? One time, sit down in a class and we put that polish in the road and we go on with the road. Heard from me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and I sing, yeah, Jimmy, all did you soon get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say, I just shot ya. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your shot. Yeah, I'm all in on it, man. Me up with top touch for the journey, the journey to dust to the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast for the friends that they call me low? What time? Sit down in a class, so important. Only sit the road and go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job to breathe. I'm with the light. You know, some of my passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey to dust to the plus.
You just paused the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days till I wait? Make plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.